So, hey guys, I hate to be the one to tell you, but I am glad to be the one to put a stop to it. You're being taken advantage of by your difficult installations to get your Stable Diffusion stuff going, okay? Some of these guys, they want you to think that running something like this, you're going to have to go to this Git repository and you're going to have to follow all these instructions, which you guys don't understand this stuff yet. A lot of this stuff you are never going to have to use unless you're actually getting into direct Python code stuff. But these tutorials want to run you through this massive process, and then you get confused because it's too much. And I'm going to tell you, here's the scam. These guys know it's too much, okay? They're creating long videos that you have to go back and watch over and over and over again because they're trying to get your clicks, okay? Now, we all want your clicks, okay? And in fact, please click the like on this video and share it because it does help, and I do want that click, but I don't want you guys to get fooled. I actually want to help you guys. So there's a vested interest by some of these guys to keep AI confusing, like, oh, it's just so big and I'm just never going to understand it. Listen, you're looking at something like this and they're walking you through this kind of crap just to get your image generations working. Come on, we're going to get this done in less than 5 minutes, okay? So what we're going to do here is let's pop over, okay? We're going to end up using this software. It's called SDForge, okay? You can you can go to my Patreon and get it here. You don't have to even pay for it. It's because it's out there for free, okay? You can get it here. It's a nice, easy place to get it, and I do have a startup script that you can use to get your basic models. But guys, you don't even have to do this. What we do is watch this. We're going to go over here to this page, okay? We're going to do a search for SDForge download, okay? And then we're going to look for, or let's go SDForge Git, okay? And then we're going to grab this one, this Easiest Stable, okay? You're going to click this. Now watch this. These guys will have you go through all of this, and oh my God, look at all that, because they know it's confusing. It's a scam, okay? Watch this. Installing Forge. You can use this one-click installation package. Okay, so all you do is you click on it, okay, and you save it. Okay, you can't see it, but it popped up a save window on my thing. Okay, then you go over here to your File Explorer, right? You've downloaded it. Okay, now watch this. We're going to go extract. I'll hit my WinRAR extract here. Okay, now it's going to take a bit of time because this is it's a 1 gigabyte thing. But look at this. They've got it here. This isn't even me putting this together. This is the people that created SDForge putting this together for you. This is, as MC Hammer would say, it's too legit to quit. Okay, this is really good. This is my main app. I watched a stupid ass tutorial that somebody had sent me because they were confused, and it was like 30 minutes of just going through nonsense. When I sent this to him, I said, just install this. And he was done in like 2 minutes. Okay, I'm not even joking. So look at it. It gets done, and then all you got to do is click the run.bat. Okay, so that goes ahead and it installs it into a directory. Now I'm not going to go ahead and install it, but it's all going to put everything into here, okay? It's going to set up your environment. It's going to download a basic model. And then listen, now this is an old model this guy was trying to run, but say you want to get this, okay? Where's it at here? Hold on just a sec. So let's say this is an old model, but let's say you do want to run this one, okay? We already have our SDForge installed, okay? So all you got to do is, let's see, we want this one, Stable Diffusion XL base one. Okay, so there's better ones out there, but let's do this. Watch this. I have another video on this you can go watch, civitai.com. Okay, this is where you download models. This is where you download things for your SDForge. Okay, so we can just go up here to search, and now we'll type that in. There it goes. There's all your Stable Diffusion stuff. Stable Diffusion XL base 1.0. So you could sit here. Oops, let me get some space for myself to work. Click View More Results. Find the one that you want. Okay. There to do. Let's see here. Stable Diffusion XL. Okay, so it brings it up. So you find the different version. Now these are all different checkpoints. They have the base models. You can go over here and click on that. Let's say you find the one that you want. So you want, let's say, I don't know, you want this one. She's pretty. Let's do this one. All you do is you click download, and then it's going to bring up a pop-up window, and you just download it into here. You go back to your, let me click over to one that's actually installed here. Okay, so this is where you're at. So you click the download over here. It asks you where you want to install it. Okay, so you install it to Web UI, Models, Stable Diffusion. Okay, and you can see all the different models I have in there. So once you do that, you literally just go back. Whoops, you go back to here, and you click Run. Okay, and that's it. That's it. You guys have done it. You have literally installed your image generation software. You've downloaded a model, and then now let's see if I can find my browser again. You've got it up and running. So then you just can type. So here's one I put in the script as wildlife animal. So you can say a purple orangutan. I don't know. And you want to generate that. Hey, that's not purple. That's pretty weird. I guess it's kind of purple. This is a beautiful lion on the Serengeti. So I'm using an animal one here. So there you go. Guys, we just did that in like just a matter of minutes, okay? And these guys, they want to run you through these harsh tutorials because they want to keep it confusing for you so that you keep coming back and watching these tutorials. But guys, we don't want to stay in the land of confusion. We want to go into the land of prosperity, the land of growth, the land of learning and actually application of this stuff. So real easy thing to do there, okay? You just go to Stable Diffusion, click the download package, okay? You go over to your here, you extract it, you click run. Okay? That's literally everything. If you want to download something, you go back over and you can go to Civitai. Now, if you want to just keep it simple without having to go to different web pages, you can go over to my Patreon page. I have the exact same thing in here, you can get it right here, but I also have added a base models script. So if you don't want to screw around drilling through Civitai, you can download my base models, and it's going to give you these 3 models to start. Okay, so not that one. It's going to give you your realism engine. It's going to give you your wildlife animals, and it's going to give you this cool comic book one. So that's a really easy start for you there as well. But you don't even have to do that, guys. Less than 5 minutes. No harsh code. No, none of that. No nonsense. Okay? So, let's see if we get back to here. And that's it. You're welcome. Okay? Have a great day, and we will chat you up later down the road. All right.